going on, everyone? Welcome back. We're gonna start this episode off with trailering my bare chassis down to Select Speed Shop, drop it off over there so they can start on the fabrication work they're gonna do. And yesterday, I got a big shipment in from Part Shop by Max. As you can see, got 6 boxes, and it's all my suspension, and in there is the steering rack forward cross member. I gotta sort through them real quick because after Select Speed Shop, I'm gonna stop by EVG Performance and drop off my front cross member so Rich Houston over there can burn in the PBM rack center section. So anyway, gotta get the trailer loaded, so let's get to it. Oh, camera fell over. Whoops. I am here at my buddy's shop, Select Speed Shop, owned by my buddy George and his partner Abe. Abe is the fabricator. I was here a couple weeks ago, dropped off my 240 shell. For them to fabricate in the radium fuel cell, as well as weld in the cat hump delete panel from MA Motorsports, and also weld in a couple holes in the firewall. So let's go in there and check it out, see what kind of progress they've made. Georgie!
Yo, what's up, Evan?
Got Abe over here drilling holes.
What up?
Alright, we got more holes in the 240. Looking good. Looks like they already burned in the cat hump delete panel. Looking good. Let's see what else we got over here. A couple of these guys still have to be welded into the firewall. Boom. Making some progress over here.
Nice fit.
Good fit? Good fit, Abe?
Before I get on the list on Friday to take the ABS.
All right, everyone, so as you can see, the car is back from KG Performance Solutions, and they did a kick-ass job powder coating a bunch of suspension parts that I brought to them. anti-squat right there. As well as sandblasting the chassis, and then they allowed me to come and use their paint booth to spray Steel It on all of the areas that they sandblasted. And yeah, came out awesome. Also, before it went to them, Select Speed Shop did the frame for my fuel cell, so that's also done. And really the only thing left to do now before I start assembly is get some of the sand media that they used to sandblast the car. It's still kind of stuck in some nooks and crannies in the car, so I want to try and get rid of as much of that as I can. And then also there's a couple areas that I didn't hit well enough with paint that have started to rust over the past couple months, because yes, I've really been slacking on assembling this car. Anyway, here we are, and I'm gonna blow out as much sand as I can. Let's get to it. All right, everyone, I just finished up vacuuming out all the sand out of the car. I ended up going to grab a shop vac here from my brother's house, borrowed that, and combination of vacuum and some compressed air, I was able to blow out what looks like a squirrel's nest, all this stuff. Some acorns that were all in the frame rail, both sides. So I came in here, all these little holes, and just blew all around. Was coming out of here, top of the frame rail. So got most of it out. And then the lower door frame here, it's just like a long boxed section that had a ton of sand in there, and I just stuck the shop vac tube in this big hole right here and just fed it all the way through over to there, back in there, and yeah, got a lot of it out. There was still quite a bit in there, so she is almost sand free, almost. And I think we're ready to, well, I still got to sweep the garage out actually. Still got to sweep the garage out and be ready to push this back in, get it up on jack stands, and start assembly. So can't freaking wait. I got just about all the parts I've been collecting for the past several months, kind of scattered about. Gonna have to look for some of them because the shelving in here is kind of just jam-packed full of a bunch of stuff. A lot of new, a lot of old. Still got a clutch for an Eaton transmission. Made it to a Caterpillar engine. Anyone's looking for that. Still got some truck parts. Anyway, let's get this swept up, get the car in, up on jack stands, and start the assembly. I just wanted to take this chance to thank you for subscribing and also all of the positive comments. I was really surprised not to receive any negative comments. There were just a couple that I just viewed as constructive criticism, which I really appreciate so I can make these videos better. Anyway, I hope you like what I'm putting out there. Appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.